When you gaze up at the stars, it's easy to romanticize space. Twinkling lights, soft moonlight, and distant dreams of other Earths. But space isn't gentle. Beyond the reach of our atmosphere, orbiting distant suns, lie planets so violent, so brutal, and so utterly alien. They seem pulled from our darkest nightmares. These are not sci-fi creations, they are real planets, discovered by telescopes, confirmed by data, and cataloged by scientists. And today, we're taking you on a journey to the most terrifying worlds ever found. From afar, HD 189733b looks stunning. A beautiful blue orb floating in space just 64 light-years from Earth. But this planet is the ultimate cosmic bait-and-switch. Its deep blue hue, not from oceans. It's due to high-altitude silicate clouds, basically, glass suspended in its atmosphere. Now imagine this. Winds scream across the surface at 8,700 kilometers per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. These silicate clouds condense into tiny glass droplets. Then the planet's monstrous winds fling them sideways at hypersonic speeds. This isn't rain, it's a storm of razor-sharp molten glass, shredding anything in its path. The temperature? Over 1,000 degrees Celsius, that's about 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Even your atoms wouldn't stand a chance. Next, let's visit WASP-12b, about 1,400 light-years from Earth. This gas giant orbits its star at a horrifyingly close distance. So close that its year lasts only 24 hours. That closeness causes extreme tidal forces that stretch the planet like taffy, distorting it into an egg shape. The heat? Over 2,500 degrees Celsius, or 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize metal. But here's the real nightmare. Its host star is devouring it, literally. Like a cosmic vampire, the star siphons off the planet's atmosphere bit by bit. Over time, WASP-12b will be completely consumed, leaving only vapor trails and radiation in its place. A planet dying in slow motion, right before our eyes. Most planets are destroyed when their host stars die, but Kepler-70b is different. This planet orbits a dead star, a white-hot stellar corpse known as a subdwarf B star. At one point, this star expanded into a red giant, engulfing all nearby planets. Yet somehow Kepler-70b survived, orbiting just 1 million kilometers away from this stellar remnant. That puts it inside what was once the outer layers of a star. Its current surface temperature, around 7,000 degrees Celsius or 12,600 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of our sun. If you could stand on it, you'd be vaporized before you ever knew you arrived. Orbiting its star at blistering proximity, Kepler-7b has one side that never sees night, a phenomenon called tidal locking. On this day side, the heat exceeds 2,000 degrees Celsius, or about 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. That's enough to melt rock, forming oceans of lava hundreds of kilometers wide. The surface constantly boils, mountain ranges collapse into magma flows, and volcanic storms rip across the horizon. Meanwhile, the night side, which never sees sunlight, is an airless, frozen wasteland, two extreme hells, coexisting on one planet. There is no place to hide. Now for something utterly insane. PSRB 1257 plus 12c orbits a pulsar, the ultra-dense, spinning remnant of a supernova. Pulsars emit intense radiation, deadly magnetic fields, and beam-like radio waves that flash across space like lighthouse lasers. This planet is bombarded by gamma radiation, X-rays, and relativistic particles moving near light speed. It's like orbiting the core of a nuclear explosion, every second, forever. No atmosphere could survive, no shielding is enough, it's the definition of an unlivable hell world. And yet, there it is. This one's a mystery made of shadow. TRES-2b is the darkest planet ever discovered. It reflects less than 1% of the light it receives, darker than black acrylic paint. Scientists aren't even sure why. Theories suggest its atmosphere contains light-absorbing vapors like vaporized sodium or titanium oxide. From space, this planet would appear as a near-invisible void, visible only when it blocks out starlight, like a cosmic ghost, a place where even light gets lost. Imagine drifting toward it, unaware until it's too late. These are real places, confirmed by science, measured by data. They challenge our definition of what a planet can be. Not just homes for life, but worlds shaped by chaos, destruction, and cosmic violence. They are not here to welcome you. They do not care if you survive. And they remind us, the universe is not made for comfort. It is ancient, it is brutal, and it is awesome. Subscribe now, and keep traveling with us to the darkest, wildest corners of the cosmos.